I'm Romana Pernisch, and I'm a postdoc at the Discovery Lab, which is a collaboration between Elsevier, the Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam, and the University of Amsterdam. So the Discovery Lab aims to help in scientific discoveries, so furthering scientific discoveries using machine intelligence. So we do a lot of things around recommender systems and natural language processing and knowledge representation to help drive scientific discovery. So most recently, I worked on a project on how to automate or how to make it more efficient to build an ontology. An ontology is a representation of specific information, knowledge, in a way that can be then used by machines. So in this project, I looked into first how to do this manually, which is what knowledge engineers normally do, and then on how can we automate this whole process. And we looked into 4 different ways, we compared them, and then we had subject matter experts look at the results and compare them to see if this way of doing this process is a viable way for them to substitute all of this human effort. Another project that I'm working on is more on the process side. So as we all know, knowledge is not static. We make new discoveries, we have new information that needs to be inputted into these data forms, or as we call them, knowledge graphs. So what I look into and work on is how is this process of knowledge graph evolution and the changes in how we put this new information into these graphs. How can we do that? So how do we deal with this whole process of updating the knowledge that we have? Our goal is to help other researchers, right? So all of the work that we do is with the goal in mind that we are helping other researchers in the way that they do research. So you can think of it in a way that of an AI research assistant, and that is of course very high level, but that's kind of where our impact, or the work that the lab does, should have its impact on all of these scientific processes.